Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys saw by the title, the intro, whatever else, it is another pen pal video. I really lost track of how many we've been doing. I think this is like I want to say like the third or fourth video, but I love filming these videos. I feel like it's super fun to be more like involved in the different types of communities. The reason I do this on my channel, not even though it's like a school studying channel, is because, you know, it's really important to socialize with other people and stay in touch with your friends and learn about different cultures. Pen paling is mainly for like outside, like not with your friends, but Annie and I do it because of the whole pandemic thing. We started doing it and we kind of just both liked to get a little package from each other. So let's just get straight on into the video. This video is going to be a little different because I'm going to give you guys my live reaction. So as you guys can see from the outside, Annie has done a green theme, kind of like a floral theme kind of thing. So as I said, this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to give you guys my live reaction, and then when I'm actually making the pen pal letter bag, I'm just gonna put music so that you guys can relax, chill, get a snack, drink, whatever you guys want to do. So make sure you guys grab a snack and a drink and watch this video all the way through. So since she's doing a green theme, and she actually, for my birthday, if you guys haven't seen what I got for my birthday haul, she gave me like these like tapes for my birthday. So she gave me white glitter, black glitter, and gold glitter, and I already have gold glitter, but I think my theme for this pen pal episode video, whatever, is gonna be my aesthetic. So I'm gonna be doing a black, white, gold type of theme, and I feel like it looks super like classy, kind of old 1950s, 60s vibes. Let's open this up. I'm super excited to see what she got. So in the front, let me just show you guys. So she put Studying Angel because that's my channel, Love Annie, and I love how she ripped the book, put some line paper in the background, some green stickers, green paper, and washi tape that is also green. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so the first thing you see when you open it up is just a bunch of green. But I think since everything is pretty much packaged, we're gonna leave it like that. So she gave me, you guys can get these at like Lowe's, Office Depot. So cute. I have like purple ones of these too. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet, but there might be a video coming up with these in it. Then she gave me look how cute her handwriting is too. I love Annie's handwriting. It's like a thing. I feel like I don't write that small. This is a demo pad. Really cute, Annie. Thank you. Ooh, this is the letter. Look at the envelopes though. Every envelope is a little bit different, but they're so cute. So cute. So that is the actual like letter. We both write a lot. Like look, page 1, page 2. Look, so cute. So cute. By the time you guys see this is actually gonna be like, it took us forever to actually give these to each other, so that's why she took forever. I will read these and then answer back. I feel like they're super personal, so I probably won't read them on camera. I love the theme again, the green, floral kind of theme. I feel like this isn't even on focus. You can see that she again did like the book ripping, which is super cute. I need to ask her in her letter what book it is from. These are the questions and answers. So cute. Here is the playlist and the question and answers that I'm going to answer. Thank you so much, Annie. These are so cute. I like to keep them because I feel like they're just so cute. And line paper, green, and book vibes. I love them. Ooh, and I see that she uses Tool. My dad loves that pen. I personally don't like it because it's way too thin and I have big handwriting, so I like ballpoint pens. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I think these are goodies. So she got little strawberries. Cute. I love strawberries. And mushrooms, and it's super weird because I also like mushrooms as like a food. Oh, swatches of the like her washi tapes, which is super cute. She got me two of the same tea. I haven't been drinking as much tea as I used to, so I need to start doing that. I love these. Honestly, Annie, I love how these look. And these are stickers. And then another like memo pad. We love those. I think I'm gonna use them in the future. And a couple more drawings. So we got some peace signs, some moon. I don't even know how I'm supposed to hold these moons. There you go. And these little things. Thank you, Annie, so much. All of this stuff is so cute. So everything is so cute. Thank you, Annie. Now on to the portion where I show you guys what I'm going to be doing back to her, and also showing you guys, again, the theme is my aesthetic, as you guys saw, as I mentioned before in the video, and in the world, the title of this video should have it on there too for you guys. Okay, angels, as you can see, I left a mess, but this is the end of the video. I am exiting it out, you know, have to clean this up a little bit after I finish this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found it entertaining, relaxing, all of the above, all of the things. I hope you guys got a little bit of inspiration and you guys can see that we have different styles, aesthetics, and all that jazz. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit the notification bell. Also hit that notification bell to be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. Once you do that, comment down below and maybe I will start doing shout outs for you guys that do it. Today's /video shout out is Annie because the pen pal video shows comments on my videos, so thank you, Annie. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned until next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.